I just closed the video out, guys, and I'm starting another one. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In my previous video, we went ahead and installed the new rear GT3 bumper, and I absolutely love it. She still needs a little bit of work there and on the other side, but today we are going to be installing the brand new taillights. You know what this reminds me of, actually? This angle with this bumper reminds me of a Genesis. I'm not gonna lie, it really does, especially once that duckbill wing is back on. If we can make it work, it's gonna look good. But anyways, let me go grab the taillights real quick, and then I'm gonna reveal which ones are going in. I really hope you guys like them. Let's go get them. All right, guys, got the taillights. I really hope you guys like them. I am considering opening them up in the future and kind of doing a little bit of custom stuff. But that's not a for sure yet. But here is my new taillights. So these are the depo taillights, same as the fronts. I got the black housing. So there they are. I really like them. I think it's gonna look really well with the color of the car. When I say open them up, pretty much what I was gonna do was just open them up and paint the whole thing black again, just to get rid of all of this chrome. I've never had taillights like this before, but it doesn't look bad. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like it, make sure to smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out a lot. I got a huge ass makeover today.
Pretty much.
What's happening?
Oh, I thought you said I didn't even see you. There you go. I didn't touch it, bro.
There she is, guys. Oh, baby, honestly, I like it. I really do. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Let's go ahead and turn the lights on so we can get a better idea. Oh, yeah. Then once that third brake light's there, too. Dude, I like it, dude. Oh. I really do like it a lot. This car, guys, transformed huge today. I know for you guys, you're seeing just this one video of me doing the taillights, but today I installed the rear bumper, the taillights, and wrapped this quarter panel. But there she is. Dude, I really like it actually a lot.
It's like a red bumper.
I think it's because it's, well, one, it's new. Those are old as hell. Two, you're seeing it through a clear lens with chrome reflecting it. That's through a red lens. So it makes it look different. But let's go ahead and turn this off real quick. Oh, baby, that looks hard. Nice, yeah. That looks so good. Woohoo! Let me know what you guys think, guys. I really like it. So that's done. One thing that I really want to try to fix in the future is, I know this quarter panel has already been hit before, aside from my accident, because if you look at the fitment, this, you can fit your finger in there, and then this is like tight. I've tried spacing out the trunk to push it that way. That's not it. I tried drilling new holes to slide it that way. You can't do that. So it's like this whole panel has to be pulled. And, huh?
A little bit of a edge right here, but not too bad.
So it sucks, but it is what it is. So like I said, once that third brake light's installed and wrapped, ooh, I'm so happy, guys.